Hey everyone, so I want to come really quickly and talk about this product right here. I did buy this with my own money. I actually used to use this in the beginning of my hair journey. It's the ApHogee Gloss Therapy Polisher Spray. And what I use it for, I actually use it for three different things. The first thing is like a detangler after I've washed my hair. And the second thing is for a heat protectant. And the third thing is just for an oil sheen. And I'm going to show you that in the video. But I'm just going to get up close really quickly to let you see what it looks like. It says provides lasting shine, detangles and mends, split ends, stops the frizzy alcohol free. Here's the ingredients on the back. I don't know if I'm saying this right, Cyclopentasiloxane. Anytime a product has that ingredient, my hair absolutely loves it and it detangles so effortlessly. This is the ingredients list right here. Up here at the top, it's basically letting you know it'll help add strength and shine, emollients, humectants, and stuff like that. It says restores brilliant, healthy looking shine to all hair types, enhances color and highlights, protects hair from environmental and styling damage, UV protection. Now, as far as the directions, it say to hold a bottle 4 to 6 inches from hair, spray onto towel dry hair and style as usual. On dry styled hair, lightly spray throughout hair to control frizz and add shine. Reapply to hair anytime for additional shine. So in the next few clips, I'm going to show you how I use this product. Okay, so on this clip right here, I've shampooed and conditioned my hair. Now I'm ready to blow dry it. So I'm basically going to use it as a heat protectant as well as a detangler. I just spray it all over my hair and detangle with a wide tooth comb and then proceed to blow dry my hair. I absolutely love this product for this purpose. The next thing that I can use it for is just like an oil sheen when I have my hair down in a low manipulation hairstyle like this. It helps, like it says, with the frizziness. It helps control that. Another thing is for protective hairstyles, when you just want a little bit of oil sheen, just spray it on there, make your hair shine. And I also use it for my boys. After I use leave-in conditioner on their hair or whatever, just spray a little bit of this on top and then brush it down. And it definitely helps to add sheen. Let me know what you guys use as a heat protectant as well as an oil sheen. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.